In this video, I'll show you how to download games on your Nintendo Switch and also how to delete them. So every time you want to download a new game, you simply need to go on the home screen where I am right now. If you're not there, click on this home button if you're on a game and you'll go on the home screen. Then you see down below you'll have many icons, and one of them is the Nintendo eShop. This is where you get all your games. So over here it's the third one. It's like a shopping bag, a red shopping bag. Click on it to launch. Then you have to select which user will download the games. In my case there's only one on this Nintendo Switch, so I'll click on mine. And you'll also have to be logged into your Nintendo account. If you don't have one, don't worry, they will ask you to actually log in every time you're going to want to download a game. And if you don't have an account, it takes 2-3 minutes. I even have a video on how to set up your Switch where I showed you how to create a brand new Nintendo account. So once you're over here, this is where the fun begins. You'll be able to search through all the apps and games available for your Switch. On the left side you have all the categories, and just a simple trick. Obviously there's many games, I mean most games cost money, but there's also a section with free stuff. And how to get there, there's a small trick. So yeah, these are the paid stuff, but to get the free stuff you need to go up where you see search and browse. Click on this. Once you're over here, you're going to select price range on the right side. And now we have to go down this list until you see free. There's a section that has all the free games. So go down, and over here you see free. Select view more. So you'll be able to see all the games, all the apps that are free to download. And there's 114 of them at the moment of making this video. Now, how do you download an app or a game? Well, it's very easy. Let me choose one randomly, this one. Simply tap on the game that you wish to download. It will load up a page with the information about this game, some screenshots, stuff that you need to know before buying it or downloading it for free. And once you're ready, on the top right corner, you're going to see free download, or if it's not a free game or a free app, you'll be able to pay by clicking again a button on the top right corner. Then go down and select free download or download if it wasn't free. You'll get this screen and the download will start right away. Now you don't have to stay on this page until it's done. You can even go on the home screen, press OK. OK. And you're going to see here, this is the game which we are downloading currently. And under it, there is a status bar telling you when it's done downloading. At this moment, it didn't even start. So depending on what you're trying to download, could take just a few minutes, but it can also take a longer period of time if your Wi-Fi is not strong enough. As you see here, my Wi-Fi only has 1 bar, so it will take a while until it gets downloaded. But when it's done, you can simply click on it, launch the game and play. Once you want to delete that game because maybe you didn't like it or you want to make space for something else, well, let's say I want to delete this pinball game I have downloaded previously. Simply go on the main menu again, pressing the home button, tap on the game. Now it's selected. And as you see here, press the plus button for more options. So you're going to press plus. And from here, you're going to go down and select Manage Software. Go towards the right side. Select Delete Software. Delete. OK. And now the game has disappeared from your Nintendo Switch. So this is about it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and check my Amazon links if you want to get accessories for your Switch. You help supporting my channel this way. Have a nice day.